Do you have a loved one living alone and wanting to remain in their home? Do you need a non-intrusive way to monitor their safety while helping them maintain their independence? Today we are taking a look at a smart monitoring system given to us by the kind people at Caregiver Smart Solutions. If you find this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and check us out at aecorner.com. So let's get started. This is the core monitoring kit by Caregiver Smart Solutions. This kit can monitor movement, temperature, and humidity, which can translate into much needed information based on where the monitors are placed in the home. Things such as, is my loved one using the bathroom regularly? Did they wander out the front door? Have they gotten into the refrigerator for something to eat? Is their home too cool or too hot? Have they fallen? Are they up moving around like they should? And much more without the invasiveness of video monitoring. So let's take a look inside. So when you get the monitoring system, it comes with this little card, and then this QR code allows you to download their app on your phone. You also get this very nice written bit of information on kind of how to start setting up your app as well. Now inside the box, as you can see here, we have a smart hub. Now this is the one that's going to be hardwired, and just FYI, you do have a monthly subscription with this monitoring system, as well as you have to have Wi-Fi. So this is the only piece that's hardwired. This kit comes with 5 motion sensors, which are here, 3 emergency buttons. This little sensor right here is the humidity and temperature sensor. And then you've got 4 sensors right here that can be put on a door or a drawer. So let's see how we have used these around the house. So this is where we put the smart hub, and as you can see, it's hardwired. Now this is where all of the other sensors will be paired. It will be paired to the smart hub. Now, I wanted to show you this little key here. I'm going to put it in front of my shirt so you can actually see it. You may need, reading glasses depending on who's setting this up, because you'll have to be using this to activate this as well as the sensors. Now we've also put a motion sensor right here in the living room. You want to maybe put these where your loved one is most active, maybe in the bedroom, in the living room, their favorite place, so that you're monitoring them and making sure that they are up and moving and doing their regular routine. So this is the door sensor that we've put on our front door. So when you open this door, it is going to give you a notification that your front door has been opened. I've also set up a time limit so that if the door stays open, I'm notified again that it's been open a certain amount of time. So you have a notice that pops up on your phone from the app. It tells you the date and time the door was open. So we have the humidity temperature sensor placed on the back of this bathroom door. That's going to give us an indication of someone taking a shower because of the humidity. That sensor can also be placed somewhere in the house, and it'll give you an idea of the temperature in the house as well. So here is the sensor that we put on the refrigerator, and again, this is going to give me an alert on my phone when this door opens, as well as if the door remains standing open. So we didn't set up the emergency buttons, but you do have 3 of those. This would allow you to put a phone list of 3 people, as well as have dispatch respond to the emergency button as well. One other note I want to point out is this monitoring system is working right now for about 1,200 to 1,500 square feet of like a home or a living space, putting the sensors and the monitor in that space as well. So that's the core monitoring system by Caregiver Smart Solutions. Adaptive Equipment and Caregiving Corner thinks this is a great product for those caregivers who are wanting to assist their loved ones maintain their optimal level of independence while they're aging in place. After talking with the company, we are also very excited as they continue to expand their technology on this monitoring system. Be sure to check out the comment section below for further details. That's it for today from Adaptive Equipment and Caregiving Corner. Have a great day, and don't forget, if you can't do it, adapt it.